Hi everyone. I wanted to show you how I'm editing these listing photos that Etsy has so kindly cropped to be square so that it is knocking all of the text off of these. Now you don't really need to worry about, you know, redoing these unless there's text that's being cropped off or unless you want a logo to show. Like in my other shop, I have logos on my pictures and I do kind of want the logos to show. So some of them I am going to be doing depending on what it is. Some of them still have the logo showing, so that's fine. In this shop, I don't have a logo, but it is cropping the edges of the picture since they made these square. So this is what I'm doing, and I'm using Photoshop to do this. And what I have been doing, I'm just clicking on the listing, then I am right-clicking here and copying the image, and then I'm going into Photoshop and I'm pasting it into this template that I made, which is basically 1,000, let me see, I think it's 1,200 pixels across. It's 1,200 pixels across the top, 935. That doesn't have to be precise, the height, but it looked rectangular to me. And Etsy has said that they want us to upload things that can be used in multiple formats. So not just squares, they want you to upload rectangles too, because what they're going to do is use them in other formats in different places. So if you upload something that's square, they're going to crop it in other places so that it's rectangular, so you can't win. But with this, what I'm doing is basically just putting a border around it. And yes, this will make it look like it is rectangular in my shop. I don't care. This, at least the text isn't going to get chopped off this way. So once I have this put in, I'm just editing, like I said, I'm copying it, I'm pasting it in here. And once it's done, I'm going back here and I'm editing the listing and just changing this photo out for the old one. And then when you come back into your shop, you can refresh this and you'll see that this changes to the rectangular one. And now you can see all the text. So that's what I'm going to be doing probably for the next 20 minutes. It's not going to take that long, but it's a pain. And this is what I said. If you don't have to do this and your photos look okay in the square format, that's fine. But be aware that they are changing this they seem to be changing it. They're testing it in search results. It's not just in your shop homepage anymore. So if you do have text on your photos and you've been like, I don't really need to do it, you might want to, because they seem to be testing this the square format in search results. And if that's the case and they're going in that direction, you need to have pictures that are able to work in multiple formats. So make them rectangular, but frame this. And you might have to mess around until you find one that works the right way and is chopped off the right way. But you want your listings to display the way that you want them to show. So just be aware of this, check it out, and see if there's a way that you need to crop your listing photos to make them show the right way. Leave me any questions, and I will talk to you later.